This is the Kodak PIXPRO FZ45, a simple, budget compact camera. Check the link in the description for the best price. How well this camera performs. Handles daytime snapshots well with its 16MP sensor. Great for kids and beginners due to its simple operation. Suitable as a travel backup for simple travel moments. Low light performance is quite weak, expect noisy images. It's good for daylight shots, but weak in low light or for video. Does the price match the offering? Offers standard features like zoom and HD video at its price. Kodak brand offers recognition, but this is a budget model. Offers good value compared to other cameras in its price range. Very appealing for buyers looking for a low-cost camera. It's a decent value if cheap, but phones offer more. What could go wrong? Build quality is basic but functional for everyday use. Should be reliable for simple point-and-shoot tasks. Warranty and support are standard for budget electronics. The main risk is unmet expectations compared to smartphones. Risks are mainly about managing your expectations. The Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 is a cheap, simple camera for casual fun, but not a serious upgrade over modern smartphones. Consider it if the price is budget-friendly, especially for kids or first-time users.